Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your Earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 using application. You have to start by open EARFUN audio app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application and then you will see them at the device list. Now tap at your earbuds. Then we need to scroll down. Right here we have find headphones in accessibility, so click at this line and now we can play a sound for the left or right earbuds or for both of them. Let's say I want to play it for the left earbud, I click at the left earbud and then I need to click play sound. It play a sound and I cannot add the right one right now. To add the right one you need to disable sound and then click at the right one also. And now we play the sound for both of them. To disable the sound, just tap at the slider near to it again if the slider have colorful background. And also, your earbuds shouldn't be in the charging case. I mean, if you put it to the charging case but open the lid, it's okay, you can find them. Right now, I can play a sound for it. But if I close the case, my earbuds will disconnect from my phone and as you can see I cannot use them. So, or in the charging case, and charging case should be opened, or outside from the charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!